In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email campaign with Mailerlite. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, build a polished email, choose who receives it, and send it with confidence. Start by signing into your Mailerlite account. If you prefer single sign-on, select your Google account to continue. Make sure you're logging into the right workspace and that your sender information is set up beforehand, since that helps your emails reach the inbox reliably. Once you're in, head to the Campaigns section on your dashboard. This is where all your newsletters and one-time announcements live. Click Create to start a new campaign, then choose Regular Campaign. A regular campaign is perfect for single-send messages like updates, promotions, or announcements. If you're exploring advanced options like A/B testing or automated feeds, those are available elsewhere, but for now we'll stick with a straightforward send. Next, select a template or create your email from scratch. Templates are a quick way to keep your branding consistent, while starting from scratch gives you total control. Give your campaign a clear internal name so you can recognize it later in your reports. Something like March Product Update is better than a generic title. When you're ready, click Continue. You're now in the email editor. Add your logo, headlines, body copy, images, and buttons. Keep your content scannable with short paragraphs and clear calls to action. Use high-quality images and descriptive button text so readers know exactly what happens when they click. Preview for mobile as you go and keep file sizes light for faster loading. When your layout and content look good, click Done Editing to return to the campaign settings. Enter your subject line. Keep it concise, benefit-driven, and authentic. Then add a pre-header that complements the subject and gives a little more context. It's the short line that shows next to the subject in inboxes, so use it to earn the open. Next, add your recipients. Click to add your audience and choose the group or individual recipients you want to include. Targeted groups usually get better engagement, so pick the most relevant list for this message. Click Continue to move to sending options. You can send now, schedule for later, deliver based on each recipient's time zone, or use smart sending. For this walkthrough, choose Send Now to launch immediately. And that's it. Your campaign is on its way. After sending, keep an eye on your dashboard for opens, clicks, and unsubscribes so you can learn and improve your next send.